Brothers and sisters, in this election, we are proposing 6 guarantees to deepen social justice in Tamil Nadu. The first is to help the women of Tamil Nadu who are the backbone of the state. We are going to give 2,000 rupees to every single woman directly in a bank account in Tamil Nadu every month. Senior citizens and differently abled people will also get 2,000 rupees a month in their bank account. For the education of the future generation of Tamil Nadu, 2,000 rupees a month scholarship to college students. For food security, 2,500 rupees a month to support families. For employment, all government vacancies to be filled within 300 days and 60% reservation in Group C and D jobs for local residents. And finally, for our women, free property registration for all first-time women owners of property. But brothers and sisters, the main thing in this election is that we do not allow the RSS and the BJP and their partners entry into Tamil Nadu. Please support the India Alliance, Congress Party, DMK, and all parties in the alliance. And stop this assault by the RSS BJP. This is first an ideological battle and second a political fight. It is coercion versus consensus. Every Tamil person, regardless of which party he belongs to, knows that Rahul Gandhi is going to defend the Tamil language, Tamil history, and Tamil culture, and always be a partner of the Tamil people.